It is an extremely unfortunate situation for a child. When there is single parenting. I have so many commitments, and here I have a little child at home, and the child, expects a different kind of looking after. Like how normally mothers do such a tremendous job. Hats off to all the mothers. When you really get involved, it had gone to this stage that Sanjay, my son, and I, we would be like sleeping on the same bed. I could tell after having shot for 18 hours that if his foot is dangling or if his sheet is fallen off and he is feeling cold. Some power made me understand, and I would wake up and right there his foot is dangling. There's this Deepa Mehta's film 1947 Earth. I wore a suit, it was the premiere night, got ready. Sanjay started to cry. Whenever he saw me getting ready in the evening, he would start to cry. I laid down with him, and there he was holding on to my tie, sleeping. And then his face said, oh, I said, I can't leave him. This is not me, I can't do it. Okay. ये जब उठेगा देखेगा कि 1 घंटे बाद 2 घंटे बाद के पापा है नहीं, quietly tie छुड़ा के भाग गए, तो मैं नहीं गया. I had a very bad professional, this thing with them because they were expecting me. It was advertised in the media that I will be there at the premiere. I couldn't go. I had to say no to the films that were taking me outside of Bombay. I keep joking with Sanjay, even now. I think it's with every child. When you're traveling, you say, okay, use the bathroom. Okay, do you want to go again? No. The moment you reach the airport or the aircraft, the kid wants to go again. Now here's everybody wanting to take my autograph, and I'm trying to clean the seat of the toilet because I don't want my child to sit down on that seat. Interesting thing is, later kids don't remember much. They do remember just the overall feeling. I joke with Sanjay when I ask him many questions. I say, what's this and why this, why that? He says, Dad, how many whys? And I send him this video, this beautiful video in which a kid is asking his father about 15 times or 30 times the same question. They're sitting in a park and the kid says, what is that? Father says, it's a crow. After a few seconds, he says, what's that? Dad, it's a crow. The father, with tremendous amount of patience, answers that question about 50 times, with a smile. It's a crow, son. It's a crow. It is a crow. And I remind Sanjay of that. I said, Beta, think of that video. How many times you must have asked the same question to me, Dad, what is this, who's that? And I answered with tremendous amount of patience and smile. So son, you need to do the same thing, so we have a hearty laugh. Fathers are sort of, satellite parent. They're like absentee come satellite come. How was the day? Oh, good. Your numbers are good. Wonderful. And then details are handled by the mother, generally around the globe. So I think it sort of also, compelled me to actually be involved. I would say honestly, even if you're not a single parent, I would say to all the mothers, at least over the weekend, give the kids to the father, say you do everything that we do and we are taking off or we are doing other things,